So you all are the brothers of Charles,
Yes.
who's somewhat of a celebrity here in Georgia due to the legacy of your father. So that would mean you're a celebrity also. So I'm just wondering how you feel today with the dedication of the park, the renaming. How does that make you feel as the sons of the creator?
Kind of overwhelmed in a sense, because I think this is the recognition of this park is, really long overdue. It's something that man strives for to just have a place where Black people come and enjoy themselves and just
they got him back there in the room.
be a part of God's beautiful creation. I think that this is a wonderful testament to what he tried to start. And I'm happy to see it get to this point and hope that he'll even go further in the future.
Sounds good. Now, did you guys come here as children? Were you playing in the water?
I didn't get a chance to play in the water because I wasn't but about 4 years old at the time. Well, I could play on the beach, but I couldn't learn how to swim yet.
Do you have childhood memories of this place?
Yeah, I had to go to bed when everybody else was partying.
So they're not happy memories. But now you're well old in your age where you can go play in the water.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go for a dip?
No. Believe it or not, I never learned how to swim.
Is today the day?
Nope. Nope.